तो मचल गए हो, यूं ही फिसल गए, हा हा हा। अच्छा जी मैं हारी, चलो मान जाओ ना, देखी अपनी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना। अच्छा जी मैं हारी, चलो मान जाओ ना, देखी अपनी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना। कचरा मोहब्बत वाला अखियों में ऐसा डाला, कचरे ने ले ली मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, दुनिया है मेरे पीछे लेकिन मैं तेरे पीछे, अपना बना ले मेरी जान। हाय रे मैं तेरे कुर्बान, छोड़ दो आंचल ज़माना क्या करेगा, ओ छोड़ दो आंचल ज़माना क्या करेगा। ओ इन अदाओं का ज़माना भी है दीवाना, दीवाना क्या करेगा। ओ छोड़ दो आंचल ज़माना क्या करेगा। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में इशारा हो गया, बैठे बैठे जीने का सहारा हो गया। आंखों ही आंखों में बार बार देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल का। हारी हो, हारी हो, हारी हो। ओरे ओरे बाकी छोरे, कभी मेरी गली आया करो। ओरे ओरे बाकी छोरी, चाहे रोज बुलाया करो। नजरों से कह दो जी निशाना छूट ना जाए, जरा नजरों से, जरा नजरों से कह दो जी निशाना छूट ना जाए, जरा नजरों से कह दो जी निशाना छूट ना जाए। किसी ना किसी से कभी ना कभी, कहीं ना कहीं दिल लगाना पड़ेगा। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई। एक अजनबी हसीना से यूं मुलाकात हो गई, फिर क्या हुआ ये ना पूछो, कुछ ऐसी बात हो गई।
मुबारक हो, आपको बेटी हुई है।
मैंने कहा था तुझे, मुझे बेटा चाहिए, तो भी तूने जन्म दिए बेटी को। दूर रख इसे मेरी नजरों से।
इसमें मेरा और इस मासूम का क्या कसूर है? देखना ये हमारी जिंदगी का सहारा बनेगी।
शाबाश बेटी, ऐसे ही बढ़ती रहना।
आई एम सॉरी, आपके पिता पैरालाइज्ड हो चुके हैं।
मैंने बहुत बड़ी गलती किया था। आज से कोई भी लड़का और लड़की में भेदभाव मत करना।
Our voice is our future. Our voice is our future. Our voice is our future.
Hello everybody, we are from SMT Youth community. This is Judith Nasrat and our team is on Unity in Community. And we are presenting you all a canvas painting of Holy Family done by Anastasia, Senorita, Althea and Brenda with the background music sung by Crystal and Caroline. Hope you all like this video. Thank you.
Together, hand in hand, live as one in God's plan.
Let's live together and understand that we are one in every land, with faith and love and the spirit up above. Let's listen and share and show the world we care. Let's walk together, hand in hand. Camminare insieme. Together, hand in hand, live as one in God's plan. Let's live together and understand that we are one in every land, with faith and love and the spirit up above. Let's listen and share and show the world we care. Let's walk together, let's live together, let's walk together, hand in hand.
Dear friends, a very great thank you to every participant who got into this presentation of the talent show. And as a community, the theme was as a community coming together and community building. That was more important, and that shows our participants, 4 communities who participated. Was Holy Spirit, Our Lady of Wellington. We also are grateful to St. Michael's and St. Jude. So God bless you for your participation. Again, there are no winners, but your participation stands more important. Thank you for the youth group who helped us in this time to accumulate things, to prepare forms, for the cultural head, for the animators, and really it was a great blessing. It was not easy, all the difficult situations, and a lot of things kept happening in all these things. But your participation stands, and grateful I'm really thankful to the participation for everyone who participated, the community members who put their hard work in shooting, put the hard work in getting families together, communities together, making it more creative, making more innovative, making it more different. It's for community building. Theme was community building, and many people and many 4 of these communities tried together to have this community building. So God bless you for all these things. There should be some winners. Not again those all who participated are winners, and we are grateful to them. And God bless you in plenty. But we have to have some winners. So we have chosen 2 communities out of 4. But again, I tell you, these 4 also completely are winners. So 2 communities, one is St. Jude. So God bless their participation. God bless the innovative idea. God bless their coming together. God bless their creativity. And in this again, second is the Holy Spirit community. So God bless your participation and innovative idea and presentation. So praying for you, praying for each other, and your participation, again I said, it counts. So do not get disheartened. Everyone is winners, and Mother Teresa intercede for you. God bless all the youth. Thank you.